Good morning, students. In today's video, you will learn an important portion of English grammar, that is tense. Tense means time, जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं समय. In English grammar, mainly we have three types of tenses, like past. They are past, present, and future. Now these three tenses further have been divided into four subparts. Means each tenses have been divided into four parts. Like, look at here, this is your past tense. Past means the time which has gone. The time which has gone. In the past tense, you have simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Similarly, in the present, simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. And also similarly in the future tense, simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Dear students, we learn up to here. That is okay. Now there is one question. Many students get confused with these names. They cannot easily learn these names. Even when a teacher asks in the class, they won't be able to reply the correct answer. So for that, I will tell you a simple formula to remember the names of these tenses. Look at here. Simple, continuous, perfect continuous. So in order to remember these four names, I will tell you a simple formula or a simple trick. Like, look at here. सबसे छोटा पंडित प्रेमचंद. You can say सबसे छोटा पंडित प्रेमचंद. By this trick, you can memorize all these four parts of tenses very easily. I hope you understood.